Preposition, the position word. Children, our today's topic is preposition. Childrens, can you see this whole picture? In this picture, you can see the common ball. The question is, where is the ball? Okay, children, in this picture number 1, the ball is inside the box. And if you see picture number 2, the ball is on the table. Picture number 3, the ball is under the table. And picture number 4, the ball is near the table. Children, you can identify the position of the ball. How we identify the position of the ball? By seeing the position where the ball lies, we are able to identify. The ball is inside the box, on the table, under the table, and the ball is near the table. These words in, on, under, near, these are the prepositions. In this video, we are only talking about in, on, under and near. Rest of the prepositions I will make another video. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or a thing is. Example, I will talk about in first. Children, see where is the eggs lying? The eggs are in the basket. Then see the apples are in the basket. And the ball is in the box. Now let's move on to on. The boy is sitting on the chair. And the clock is on the wall. Next, the ball is on the table. Let's move on to under. The ball is under the table. The dog is sleeping under the table. The boy is sitting under the tree. Now we talk about near. The ball is near the table. The car is parking near the house. The pen is near the book. Now children, let's do some test your knowledge. Where is the ball? These are the 3 options. You take the correct answer and put in the given space. Children, just look at the image. Where is the ball? The ball is dash the box. Options are under, in, on. The correct answer is in. The ball is in the basket. Next question, where is the ball? The options are under, near and on. The correct answer is on. The ball is on the table. Next question, where is the ball? The ball is dash the table. Under, in, on. The correct answer is under. The ball is under the table. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel for notifications. Thanks for watching.